Our CNC bus bar machine adopts restaurant-style piston pump hydraulic station with accumulator. First 3D bus bar design software with punching, cutting, embossing, and bending work, showing unfold lines and remaining lines for maximum saved bus bar materials. Simulate punching and cutting operation to check if any mistake on the drawing before real cutting and punching. Generate and download the program to machine directly, load on bus bar and start automatic punching and cutting operation. Double hydraulic clamp system strengthens precision punching and cutting, especially for large-size bus bar. Single-stroke cutting. Finished workpiece automatically discharged by stainless steel conveyor. Bending machine opens the same drawing for bending operation. Simulate bending operation showing correct bending sequence. Servo position stop. Finish the workpiece. Simulate vertical edgewise bending.